Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a smart discount pop-up on Shopify store. I hope you will watch this video till the end. In here I will break down step by step process, and I will give you the suggestion which apps will be compatible for your Shopify store. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as usual, you can see we already set up our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store, and this is our informal design in Shopify store. We have one design, we have blog page, contact page, catalog page, and the design is really nice. So I'm going to install an pop-up discount pop-up for Shopify. That for reason I'm going to click on here, then I will search pop-up and then just enter hit button, and it will give us the option. So let's go here into the shop. I'm not going to use this one. I will visit into the app and sale channel setting, and in here I will uninstall it. First of all, just click uninstall, and then I will visit on Shopify app store. It is a store like Play Store and iStore. Here you are only allowed to download apps for Shopify store rather than other thing. Here let's search for shop pop-up, then enter hit button. You can add further more this word discount, then you will get familiar option in for you. So here I'm going to download this one, e-com send pop email pops. So here you can see that is totally free, and it has almost 7,658 reviews. And here if you want to read, you can read this whole process or information. I'm just going to deep down to the main step. That for reason I'm going to click on install. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to the next page where it will give me to download or install it in my Shopify store. So as you can see, they provide us the option to install it. Just click over here. Once I click over here, it will take a while to install it, and once the install has been done, they will set up it automatically. So we need to be rest a while. So as you can see, our apps has been installed. Its name is e-com send pop-up. So here you can see we have welcome page, and you can see the process one by one. You can explore it one by one to understand furthermore. Like let's go ahead with this one. Just quick setup guide. First of all, we have 3 tasks, so we did not complete on yet. So a clean and safe install for your active theme. The app embedded needs to be enabled on your theme. This won't display the pop-up on your storefront until you are publish it from your app. So for that reason, let's click over here. Let's go ahead, and it will take us to that place where they are asking us to enable this e-com send pop-up. So I already enable it, and now I will going to save it over that place. Just click over here, Ctrl S, save, and it has been saved perfectly. In here you will see the changes. Enable app embedded, and then it will enable app embedded, and it will be take down you to that place. So here create pop-up. So they are telling us to create a pop-up for our visitor. So a pop-up that attracts visitor becomes subscriber. So we have set best practices default for you pop-up based on your big data. You can adjust it anytime to match your brand. Just click over here, create pop-up. Once you click it, then they will give you 2 options. Here I think this current template will be good for me, so that for reason I'm going to click on create pop-up. So here you can see publish your pop-up. Once I click over here, it will be published. Let's see the responsible. It looks really memorized. So here I'm going to click on discount coupon section. Here you can see no discount, discount code 10% percentage off, enable, enter Shopify discount manually. If I select this, no, I want discount code, and this will be good. And here you can see all one by one. You can explore furthermore. I already explored it perfectly, so I am not going to explore it further. So here you can see this is the content panel. If you want to change anything in here, you are allowed to do it. Discount unlocked, anything you can do it from that place. You can change the style, If you want to add any logo, you are allowed to do it. Then let's go on to the rules and publish it. Just click over here, and here you can see publish successfully. So preview this pop-up. Once I click over here, and then you can see, wow, it looks really amazing. They are asking for the email address, get 20% off your order, and whenever you want, whether you want to change your pop-up or not, you are able to do it. So here you can see the pop-up looks really amazing. So if you want to change anything like success status, sticky discount bar, or sidebar widget, whatever you want, you can do it. Let's go and click on the cross, and let's find out further more option by channel will. Here what they provide, let's see. And they are providing us some apps they created, that's why they provide this option. So I'm going to click on pop-up. Pop-up is the main thing. So in here, if you want to add further more option, we have two options like create template. So they provide us by default these two template, so that for reason we are not allowed to explore it furthermore. So here if I click on create pop-up, just click over here and select this one, spin will pop up, and then click on create pop-up. This way you are allowed to use both pop-up in your same page. And in this way I am going to change all this necessary thing. I will make sure that the 10% off it will be, instead of this I will make sure that this will be 20% off, then the chances will be 40. Yeah, it's good. And no luck, 0% chance. Here I'm going to make it 1% chance. It's totally amazing. If you understand little bit about English, then you can probably know what is going on here. And if you see, it is totally responsible, so you don't have any difficulties, or you don't ever face any difficulties. Whether you can use this pop-up or you are allowed to use this pop-up, which one you think will be engaging for your visitors, it's totally up to you. So now I'm going to publish this pop-up also. So just click over here, check this out, and it will publicly publish. So I'm going to click on save. Once I click over here, now if I click on preview this pop-up, now I am allowed to see it. And how this pop-up really work, if you provide your Gmail over that place, project 01@40@gmail.com, and claim discount, the pop-up will be start working. So here you can see the spin has been run. Let's see. Yeah, I got 20% pop-up. This is my coupon code. Thanks for subscribing. Copy your discount code and apply to your next order. So the process is really simple, and it makes your visitors so much excited about this. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found out this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.